Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. Hi everyone. In our previous lesson we learned brief information about verbs, past tense, present tense and imperative. And today we are going to learn detailed information about past tense, الماضي. الفعل الماضي, past or perfect tense. The Arabic verb is mostly triliteral, الفعل الثلاثي المجرد. It is based on roots of three consonants called radicals. Thus, the root meaning of a simple triliteral verb كتب is to write or writing, and the literal meaning is he wrote. In a simple triliteral verb الفعل الثلاثي المجرد, the first and the third or last letters are always fatha, but the second or the middle letter is not constant. It may be fatha, dhamma or kasra. All these three forms of past tense is called active voice or al-madi al-ma'ruf. Now let's give examples. The verbs in the pattern of fa'ala, all the letters get fatha, including the middle letter. Kataba, he wrote. Jalasa, he sat. Qara'a, he read. Akala, he ate. Fataha, he opened. And the verbs in the pattern of fa'ula, with dhamma in the middle letter. Hasuna, he became good. Qabuha, he became ugly. Ba'uda, he became far away. Azuma, he became great. Da'ufa, he became weak. And the verbs in the pattern of fa'ila, kasra in the middle letter. Sami'a, he heard. Alima, he knew. Shariba, he drank. Fariha, he became happy. Khashiya, he was afraid. Apart from the three-literal verb الفعل الثلاثي المجرد, four radical verbs called الفعل الرباعي المجرد are also in use. However, four radical verbs are less common. The pattern for a four radical verb is فعل. Example, ترجم, he translated. زلزل, he or it shook. دحرج, he rolled. And زحزح, he or it was removed. Remember, these are not derived verbs, these are original verbs. These are four radical verbs. When a verb is conjugated in the form of a table, it is called conjugation, or in Arabic, tasrif or sarf. In Arabic, each verb form is called sigha. Looking at the table below, we can see that there are 14 sighas in it. Each of these sighas has a name. This name identifies whether it is singular, dual or plural, whether it is masculine or feminine, and whether it is first person, second person or third person. Before we go to a verb table, we need to remember the pronouns. الضمائر الشخصية or المنفصلة, personal or detached pronouns. And we have third person, second person and first person categorized, and also we have singular, dual and plural pronouns. Huwa, he. Huma, they for dual. Hum, they for plural. And these are mudhakkar or masculine. Hiya, she. Huma, they for dual. Hunna, they for plural. And these are muannath or feminine. And second person pronouns. Anta, you. Antuma, you for dual. Antum, you for plural. These are mudhakkar, masculine. Anti, you, singular. Antuma, you, dual. Antunna, you, plural. And these are muannath, feminine. And lastly, we have al-mutakallim or first person. Ana, for both masculine and feminine, and it is singular. And nahnu is for dual and plural, and it is mudhakkar and muannath, masculine and feminine. Both ana and nahnu must be used for both genders, masculine and feminine. Now let's go to the verbs. Again, we'll use the same table: third person, second person, first person, and singular, dual, and plural columns. Fa'ala, he did. Fa'ala, they did. Two people, dual. Fa'alu, they did, plural. Mudhakkar or masculine. Fa'alat, she did. Fa'alata, they did, dual or two people. Fa'alna, they did, plural or more than two people. And these are muannath, feminine. And the second person, fa'alta, you did, singular. Fa'altuma, you did, dual. And fa'altum, you did, plural, more than two. These are mudhakkar, masculine. Fa'alti, you did, singular. Fa'altuma, you did, dual. And fa'altunna, you did, plural. And these are muannath, feminine. Fa'alti, I did, and fa'alna, we did, for dual and plural. Fa'alna. And these are mudhakkar, muannath, masculine or feminine. Now let's learn more verbs in the pattern of fa'ala, fa'ila, fa'ula, and fa'alala. We have listed the same pronouns in this form: huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. First three rows are mudhakkar, third person, and the second three rows are muannath, third person, and the next three rows are mudhakkar, second person, and the next three rows are muannath, second person, and the last two rows are first person, mudhakkar and muannath. Fa'ala pattern. Kataba, kataba, katabu. Katabat, katabata, katabna. Katabta, katabtuma, katabtum. Katabti, katabtuma, katabtunna. Katabtu, katabna. And the meaning of kataba is to write. In past tense, he wrote, she wrote, etc. Fa'ila pattern. Shariba, shariba, sharibu. Sharibat, sharibata, sharibna. Sharibta, sharibtuma, sharibtum. Sharibti, sharibtuma, sharibtunna. Sharibtu, sharibna. And the meaning of shariba is to drink. In past tense, he drank. And the pattern of fa'ula. Hasuna. Hasuna means to become good or beautiful. Hasuna, hasunu, hasunat, hasunata, hasunna, hasunta, hasuntuma, hasuntum, hasunti, hasuntuma, hasuntunna, hasuntu, hasunna. And finally, fa'ala pattern is for radical verb. Tarjama, tarjama, tarjamu, tarjamat, tarjamata, tarjamna, tarjamta, tarjamtuma, tarjamtum, tarjamti, tarjamtuma, tarjamtunna, tarjamtu, and tarjamna. And that's all today. See you next session inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.